Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for Ielts at home. Start by creating a simple weekly plan with clear goals for each skill and realistic time blocks. Use a practice test to find weak areas and prioritize them early in your schedule. Alternate focus drills with full-length practice to build stamina and test familiarity. Review mistakes weekly and adjust your plan so progress stays steady and measurable over time. Build effective practice habits with varied, small wins each day to keep motivation high. Use timed listening sessions with diverse accents and take notes to simulate test pressure. Read short articles and summarize main points to improve speed and comprehension. Write one task 1 and one task 2 each week, using structure templates and feedback to refine coherence and grammar. Track progress and keep each practice focused and purposeful for steady gains. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me keep making content you can use. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for playing practice tests and podcasts with clear sound, and it makes solo speaking practice feel less lonely. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Thanks, and now let's get back to the video. Make speaking practice part of your routine and treat feedback as fuel for improvement. Record yourself answering sample prompts and compare recordings to band descriptors to identify issues in fluency, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Arrange regular sessions with a language partner or tutor to get corrective feedback and natural conversation time. Practice speaking for 2 to 3 minutes on random topics to build flow, then review and target specific areas in the next session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.